The first step to propagating pothos is selecting a healthy vine for taking cuttings. Look for vibrant green leaves without any disease. Now take a clean and sharp pruning shears and make cuttings about 6 to 8 inch long. Make sure you have at least 1 or 2 nodes on the cuttings. Nodes are points where the leaves attach to the stem. You notice small root-like growth near the bud. These are crucial for root development. First, let us start with water propagation of cuttings. Take a clear glass bottle and fill it with clean water. Now take an aloe vera leaf and dissolve its gel in the water. Aloe vera acts as a rooting hormone which will speed up root formation. If you do not have aloe vera, do not worry, the cuttings will still root, maybe take slightly longer. Place your cuttings in a container of water, making sure at least one node is submerged. Change half of the water every 4 to 5 days and watch for root growth. The cuttings will begin to root in a few days. Note that roots have grown on each node, so it is better to keep more nodes in water. Once these roots are a few inches long, your cutting is ready for the next step. I kept the cuttings in water for more than 2 months, so the roots have become very strong. Now to transfer the cuttings in soil. Take a pot having drainage holes at its bottom. Prepare free-draining nutrient soil by mixing garden soil, compost and river sand in equal amount. Fill the pot with this soil mix and plant 3 to 4 rooted cuttings in it, leaving the center clear for inserting a coir stick where the pothos vine will climb. Gently water the soil to settle it around the cutting. Place the pot in bright, indirect light. Water when the top 1 inch of soil is dry. Remember, overwatering can lead to root rot. Feed your pothos or money plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. When the cuttings have grown to about a foot long, then insert a coir stick at the center of the pot and guide them to climb on it. When you water the pot, make sure to water on the coir stick also. This will hydrate the tiny roots near each node, making your money plant to grow faster with bigger leaves. Whether you choose water or soil, a little care and attention will have you growing your very own pothos or money plant in no time. Happy